guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abby. I know it's been a little bit of time since my last video, and in my last video, I was moving into an apartment. And as you can see, this is an apartment tour. However, they're not about the same apartment. I have once again moved, and hopefully this is my last time moving for a long time. This is my new apartment in the financial district of New York City. I moved here in about November into this new apartment. So I wanted to give you guys a tour. When you first walk into my apartment, I have an entryway table. Everything on this table, including the mirror, is from Target, except for the picture frame, which is from Urban Outfitters. The table itself is also from Target. Then to the right is my bathroom. This is actually a very spacious bathroom for New York City. I have a full shower and tub combo and a lot of storage. Then we have my kitchen, which is also very large for New York City. I'm very lucky I have a dishwasher and full-size appliances, which you might not know is not always guaranteed in New York City. Next, we have my dining table from Wayfair and this shelf from Amazon. I highly recommend this table. It is great for small spaces and is very sturdy. I'm also very lucky to have this large closet in my kitchen area. Lots of apartments in the city have little to no storage, so I'm very lucky. Now moving into my main living area. Like I said, this is a studio, so my living room and bedroom are combined. With working from home, my desk area is somewhere that I spend a lot of time, so I really wanted to make sure it was a place I enjoyed being. Now moving into my bedroom area. My bed frame is from Wayfair. The white decorative pillows are from Target, and the yellow one is from Rifle Paper Company. This is one of my favorite parts of my apartment, my gallery wall. It took me a long time to decide all of the prints that I wanted, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. This is the area that I spend the most time in my apartment. It just feels so cozy and homey to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to see more New York City content.